Hello, Paul from Click and Turn here again. Another trudge through my weekly shavings and sawdust pile. So today we're going to make ourselves a little dish from a piece of quartersawn elm. Nice. Just want to thank everyone for subscribing where they have. Thank you very much for joining the channel, and it's good to see you on there. Please feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Just helps me along a little bit, even though I'm not really after numbers, because I do this entirely for fun. So yeah, thanks very much. Okay, so we're just going to mark up a rough centre here so we can get ourselves on the centres, and then we can worry about all the other bits and pieces as they come along. Oh, this is going to be the bottom because it's obviously got the cutaway there, so hopefully we got it fairly centred. As long as my top line is straight, I'll be happy. Which would help if I lock the tail stock down, wouldn't it? Righto, 1000 RPM, 5/8 bowl gouge. Let's start chipping away. Almost there. Tiny little flat spot. Just in case you're wondering what I did, well, with the sharper gouge and the speed whizzed up to 1750, doesn't give that grain much of a chance to tear out, so you end up with a reasonably nice finish. Let's get the bottom sorted. Going to mark up for a tenon now, and there we go. That was easy, wasn't it? Lovely. I've put the speed back down to 500 RPM for sanding. Well, that didn't take much. Gonna put myself a little bit of detail on the outside. Anyway, I got sidetracked by sharpening my skew. It takes forever on the Tormek, but I've worked out a secret to take off some metal a bit quicker. I just use 150 grit plate rather than the dresser stone that they use, and then that makes it quite useful. Anyway, where was I? Got a little ridge in the middle of it, but hey ho, I can get rid of that. Don't look too bad. Time for a bit of sanding sealer. Nice. And a spot of true grit. Okay, I think it's time to turn it around now. Rightio, here we go. Okay, touch of sanding I feel. Right, splosh more sanding sealer. I'm sure you'll agree, it's got some lovely colour to it. Let's let it dry and then we'll do some true grit. And lastly, some true grit superfine. Well, not lastly, because we still got to take the tenon off, but I think you know what I mean. Got it. Gorgeous. Righto, I have it set up with my cold jaws, hot foot from Temu, but yeah, I like them. Nice rubber, soft rubber as well, doesn't mark your bowls. And for the visually astute, what have I changed? Aha, the live centre. Yeah, the other one was a bit chunky, couldn't get my tools behind it, so I put on my long thin one. Okay, let's remove this tenon. Let's just check the speed though. Yeah, we didn't want that hacking around at 1500 RPM. Noticed me working from the outside in with cold jaws. It's quite often the best way to work because you're actually pushing pressure towards the plate as opposed to pushing across, and then you're likely to tilt it. So do the bulk of your taking off in towards the front of the plate and you shouldn't have too many problems. I'm now going to do exactly the opposite of what I said. Tidy. I've taken the tailstock support away because I just want to remove that little nub, and then I'm free to do a bit of sanding and decoration on my bottom. Sorted itself out, didn't it? Add more true grit. And a wee splodge of superfine. That was more than a wee splodge. Looks nice. Okay, here we are on my favourite spot in front of the pear tree. Still no fruit. Anyway, here's today's little project. It's my little Elm Bowl dish. Let's call it a bowl. With some beautiful colouring on it. Dark to light. A little bead around the outside for decoration. Smooth. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed today's turning. If you do enjoy what I do, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it very much. And my little man cave is full of shavings again. Time to tidy up. Bye.